Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth Angelelli back with you, and we're going to be talking more about the blueprint, the famous blueprint that literally is taking the internet by storm, okay? There's never been a better time, folks. So many people want and need extra cash for the holidays, so they are grabbing the blueprint. Not to mention, they want to get ready and position themselves to be able to ring in a brand new year in style 2024. And it just is not that far away, folks. We have about 1 month remaining, just a little over a month this year. So this is the time, folks. This is the season, and there is a very good reason behind all of this, folks. All right. So this is the back office of the blueprint. Very simple. This blueprint has been tested, time tested, and proven to work. And it does work, and it will work if you allow it to work. What do I mean by that? You want to take the training, you want to dive into it, and then you want to go out there and you want to take action and apply and implement. I'm going to just show you in today's short video some samples on what you can do with this blueprint to help you to generate daily pay, okay? Because that is the name of the game, folks. And what I'm going to invite you to do is come through my website so that you can watch the presentation and learn more about how you can take this blueprint, set it into motion, and start making daily pay. DailyPayBeginsHere.com. That's my website, folks. It's in the link in the description. You'll want to head on over to DailyPayBeginsHere.com and just enter your best email address. You'll come inside. I invite you to watch the presentation, get the information, get educated, and then come through, and we have 4 different product packages, 4 different digital products that we can resell. You just want to choose the one that you believe is best for you to get started. You can always move onward and upward. You can always upgrade, but our most popular one is our flagship digital product, which happens to be our premium level $600 digital product. And there's good reason for that, because you can earn up to and including the level that you purchase at. This is the back office. This is going to give you the greatest value, the most content, and the most training. And you can take this blueprint and you can take this training and you can apply it and implement it into not only this opportunity and start making daily pay, keeping 100% of the commission, but you can use this for any other opportunity that you might be involved with. It's universal marketing training, folks. It can and will work for just about any online business. So that's the beauty of the system, folks. So here is the back office, folks. Very simple. This is what we're doing. We're being very productive with 2 hours a day, folks. And we're using a 2-step approach. Step 1 is we're making really good utilization out of these pre-written ads. Okay? You're going to get 200 pre-written ads and 60 bonus image ads if you come in at the premium level. And we're doing this for about 30 minutes a day. I'm even going to show you a website. These happen to be all free websites, okay? So we're not spending any money on advertising at all. We're doing this using an attraction marketing blueprint, using free organic traffic, okay? And free classified websites. These will all be provided for you. The ad copy will be provided for you. Let me just show you real quickly what this looks like. Everything comes with a video, folks. Everybody can do this. Believe me, this is very user-friendly. Newbies are flocking to the system in record numbers because it's simple, and simple sells, and simple works. You just have to be willing to show up every day, put in the time, put forth the effort, and get your 2 hours in. And then you can go about and enjoy your day. And the beauty is, folks, there's people, yes, that are still very much working a 9 to 5, but you can break this up, okay? A lot of people these days have flexible work schedules. You can do 30 minutes in the morning. You can do 30 minutes in the afternoon. You can do an hour at night, or any combination thereof, okay? So you're going to want to watch this video. Shows you exactly what to do. Here's your ad copy. You can use this ad copy anywhere. I'm going to show you a free classified site that's very popular that a lot of us are using. Okay, we're putting our own creativity into our ads so that we can inject our own personality, our own creativity, and our own uniqueness, okay, for the best results. We've got these wonderful bonus image ads, folks. These are beautiful. You can post these anywhere. You can put these on your Facebook profile. You can put these on your Facebook stories. You can post these in Facebook groups, just about anywhere. These are beautiful. You're going to have all of these. These are ready-made, ready to go for you to use to get results, okay? Very simple. People love these. They're high response. They work well. They convert well. Okay, I just wanted to share with you. Very exciting, folks, okay? You want to have good content. You don't have to create your own. But, for example, if you're a little bit more on the experience side, and if you have access to Canva, C-A-N-V-A, you can have a boatload of fun creating your own images and your own ads, folks. But if you are brand new, these are ready-made, ready to go. No worries, no stress, okay? Just come on in and plug right in, folks, okay? Your ads are ready. So with that being said, we're going to head right back up over here, okay? And what we're doing is we're using this, and then we are picking a website here, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and we also have Craigslist. We recommend for the best results to start with a primary and then add on a secondary. And it can be any combination. But if you're brand new, folks, do not go on information overload. Do not become overwhelmed. Take this at your own pace. Everything is broken down. Simple step-by-step video training tutorials. Let me show you what this looks like, okay? As a matter of fact, I just started a brand new TikTok channel. I'm going to share that with you here in this video. So we have TikTok marketing training so that you can become an expert and a master TikTok marketer. And that's ultimately what you want. So look at what this looks like. See, it's all broken down. If you want to learn TikTok, all you do is click on TikTok. You start watching these videos. These videos are going to show you how to be successful marketing on TikTok, okay? Here's tutorial 1, tutorial 2, how to get started, create your content in tutorial 3, how to use TikTok hashtags, video 4, video 5, bonus training, how to find winning hashtags, bonus training, video number 6, how to use your creativity with TikTok. Folks, this can be so much fun, okay? And not to mention, once you really get this going, get your business off the ground, you too can experience life-changing results, folks, okay? Imagine what an extra $600 a day can do for you and your family, especially as we enter a new year, okay? Now, disclaimer, I can't make claims, guarantees, or promises, but we have the blueprint. If you take the blueprint, take it serious. Use it. Use it to your advantage. Apply and implement this training. There's no reason why you too cannot experience success, okay? We have thousands of members in this opportunity. They are winning because they took the initiative. They took action. They got started. They took a leap of faith, folks. Once they got into the back office, they made really good utilization of their training, and they went out there, and they took action. They applied and implemented, and they started seeing results. And they didn't stop. They didn't quit. They didn't look back. They just kept moving forward, folks. And that is what I recommend. Showing up every single day and just being consistent. Just being consistent, folks. It's simple. None of this is rocket science. My best advice to you, I've been doing this for years, folks. Affiliate marketing, earning 100% commissions, working part-time, very part-time, from the comfort of my home, have about a 1-minute commute from one bedroom to another bedroom, converted this bedroom into my own home office, folks, and I absolutely love it. You can enable this to become your new reality too for 2024 if that is what you desire and aspire for. So moving right along, don't want to get sidetracked. See, here's the videos. Video 7, video 8, marketing with TikTok, TikTok Analytics video 9, TikTok Best Practices number 10, and then we have the TikTok Conclusion video. So we give you 11 step-by-step guided training tutorial videos to learn and master TikTok and then put it into motion. So with that being said, folks, I use YouTube. I've been using YouTube for years. That's where I got my start. My channel's Retire with Marybeth. You can check it out. I appreciate your support. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Retire with Marybeth, my YouTube channel. That way you can check out my content. And every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So smash the notifications bell, folks, and subscribe today. So YouTube, let me share with you my TikTok, okay? This is very easy. And yes, you can do faceless. So if you don't want to go live, if you don't want to do videos, folks, we have workarounds, okay? Well, let's just head on over to TikTok right now, okay? TikTok.com, all right. And let us put, see, there's my TikTok, my brand new TikTok that I just created. Okay, let's go to it. Okay, there it is, folks. Affiliate Biz Mompreneur. This is me right here, folks. Marybeth Angelelli. I just actually uploaded a short little video to my TikTok. And yes, folks, it's faceless. All right? So allow me to share that with you. All right? And let me show you how easy this is. Okay, very, very simple. All I did was I went downstairs in my living room. I went right in front of my Christmas tree, folks, and I just did this little video, and I put text on the screen. I uploaded it, and here it is, folks. So check this out.